everyone, welcome to the next session on operations research. In this session, we will take up the next numerical on the topic of queuing theory. We are solving the type 1 of numerical, that is MM1 model. At a railway reservation booking window, customers arrive randomly at the average rate of 16 per hour. So what is given over here is the value of lambda, that is 16 per hour. Approximated to Poisson's distribution, if service time is exponentially distributed with a mean of 20 per hour, this is the value of mu 20 per hour. Now when you see that it is given lambda is approximated to Poisson's distribution, this is Markovian type, and when you can see the service time is exponentially distributed, then you can say that this is MM type of model. Now since there is only one server mentioned, hence it is MM1 type of model. So we have to determine first the percentage utilization of capacity. So the first thing is percentage utilization. The second one is the probability that there are at least 3 customers in the queue. So this indicates the probability of n greater than or equal to 3. Third one is the average time spent in the system. So it is WS. Fourth one is the average number of customers waiting in the line, that is a queue. So this will be LQ. And the fifth one is probability that there are 5 customers in the system. So this will indicate P5. So we will start solving with the first one. First we'll calculate utilization. Rho, this is equal to lambda upon mu. So this will be 16 upon 20, that is 4 by 5. Now the first thing that I have to calculate is percentage utilization. So this will be in terms of percentage. So now this ratio is 0.8. So this will be 80%. Second one is probability that there are at least 3 customers. So we can say that it is P3 plus P4 plus P5. This could be any probability, or we can say it is 1 minus P0, P1, P2. This has formula. Okay, I can open the bracket. Also I'll substitute P0 is 1 minus rho. This is rho into 1 minus rho square 1 minus rho. So when you substitute the value of rho, this answer turns out to be 64.125, that is 0.512. So that this is P such that there are at least 3 customers in the queue. Third one is WS. So WS has formula LS upon lambda. I can calculate LS as rho upon 1 minus rho. So this is 4 by 5 divided by 1 minus 4 by 5. So this is 4 by 5 divided by 1 by 5. So the answer is 4. Now once I know the value of LS, I can calculate WS, that is 4 divided by 16. So this will be 0.25 hour. If you convert this into minutes, in 1 hour there are 60 minutes. So this will be 15 minutes. Next is average number of customers in the line. So this will be LQ. I will use the formula LS minus lambda is ls minus rho or mu by lambda by mu. So when I substitute, this will be 4 minus, this is 4 by 5. So it is 20 minus 4 by 5, that is 16 by 5. So this value will be 3.2, which is approximately equal to 3. Since this digit is less than 5, I am approximating it close to 3 people in a queue at a time. And that is the average number of people. The last one is I have to calculate P5. The formula is rho raised to 5 into 1 minus rho. When I substitute this, I get the value as 0.0655. So this is probability that there are 5 people in the queue. So with this, I end the session. I hope you have understood the numerical. If you have any doubts, please write to me in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for latest video updates. See you in the next session. Thank you.